Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cashsmash review. This product is gonna come live on 9th of August at 10 a.m. EST. This product is done by Bobby as well as AJ. These two guys have really smashed the product. You can see the logo itself. It's so smashing, right? So these guys have given out 7 methods to make money online. It's very simple and they have put down a lot of effort into the training, and let me go over each and every method. I will show you what's this method about. The first one is domain flipping. All you know, there is a lot of domains available online, and there are certain domains which are actually being registered to someone else, but you got to sell it. There is lot of people who actually buy the domains and flip it and sell it for a commission, right? That's what these guys are showing up: how to buy the domain, how to sell the domain. I mean, how to in an easy way how to place it to sell it, right? There are a lot of things which these guys have explained. I mean, to be very frank, Bobby and AJ are like really knowledgeable on domain flipping. So you guys go ahead with this method 1 if you're doing domain flipping. I mean, if you don't like method 1, you can go for method 2, which is launch jacking and promoting the affiliate offers. This is really great too. I mean, if you have seen a beautiful rap created by AJ, they would have shown how exactly these videos are made so attractive to sell a product, right? I mean, they have explained this one over here in the method 2. If you go for method 3, that's Fiverr thing, how to get gigs in the Fiverr using Canva and other things where you can make money. That's simple, right? That's so simple on Fiverr using Canva. Canva is a free application. It's a graphic designer tool where you can make a decent income if you post a gig on Fiverr. I mean, the fourth one is they're showing something with Quora profits. What's that? I mean, that's a hack. Okay, I can't give complete details on that because they have put a lot of effort into this. This product is not expensive too. If you are really interested into this, go get it. The link will be right down below this video. Anytime you can go grab it. Along with that, couple of bonuses I have tied up with this. The fifth method is intro to product creation. Guys, this is amazing. You are not only the customer, you're not only the flipper, like you are still being considered as a vendor. Like, this is what he teaches: how to create a product and host it in certain marketplaces where you can get sales and reoccurring sales with recruiting affiliates and enter the marketplace. The whole concept of the full affiliate marketing related to the product creation has been described in this method 5. When you go for method 6, it's an intro to online service. I mean, these guys are shown like how to use this service to make you money, right? And the 7th method is intro to reviews. Okay, I can't go in depth of anything, but the thing is, like, these are insane methods, like 7 methods for just how much? Let me go over. For just $12, guys. For just $12, if you are going to get 7 beautiful methods explained so clearly. So over the shoulder course training by Bobby and AJ, you can go get it seriously. And the thing is, the whole funnel is for $12.95, the front end, the ultimate collection of this money on demand 7 methods which I have shown, and the upsell is cash explosion, which they call it, gives you a further 7 methods. Wow, further 7 methods which can replace your 9-to-5 job, all those things. Yeah. I mean, these things is beautiful, right? Like 7 more methods, and the upgrade too is $47. Full Fiverr Rocket, Fiverrlicious course, and all audios. This course last year has won a lot of hearts. Really, it's amazing course. Along with that, he is giving away Fiverrlicious course for $47 complete worth of training. All the audios for which is worth of 500. Absolutely, that's true. And he's giving a 47. That's insane. And 197, he's giving 1-to-1 superstar consultation. Wow. Okay, the creator of Fiverr Rocket has, I mean, this is like either Bobby or like someone else who is a creator of Fiverr Rocket. He's going to devote his time to help you guys to succeed. That's insane, right? That is an upgrade 3. Then you go for upgrade 4. That's a reseller rights. If you want it, if you can sell this course to someone else, if you like it, you want to recommend to someone else, then get the reseller rights, where you're gonna get 100% commissions without doing any work, just recommending. It's called as arbitration of traffic arbitration. I mean, I don't want to explain all these things, but guys, this is insane for 11.95. If you want to buy it, the link will be below. Go get it along with all of the bonuses. Thank you very much. See you in the next review video. See you guys. Bye.